What's up, everybody? We had an opportunity to visit Magic Kingdom here for the 50th anniversary celebration at Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. The castle was painted stunningly for the 50th, as you can see here. We eventually get to see Tron in action, so stay tuned and thanks for tagging along with us today. The decor for the occasion could be seen all over the park, which came complete with special character costumes you can see here in Mickey's Celebration Cavalcade. Chip and Dale are my favorite characters, by the way. His is Stitch, well, he likes Daisy too. Who's yours? Tell us in the comments below. I'd love to report that although the park was very busy, we were able to keep things moving with our magic bands, upgrading our tickets with Genie Plus and taking advantage of the various lightning lanes throughout the park. This allowed us to hop on every ride quickly and then re-ride later that evening in certain circumstances after lines died down. So rides kept us busy like this one, It's a Small World, or The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, or Peter Pan's Flight, or Big Thunder Mountain. Speaking of mountains, yes, we did have an opportunity to ride Splash Mountain one last time before it closed for good, and although sad, we're looking forward to the future being Tiana's Bayou adventure in 2024, but wow, what nostalgia being back here. I can remember it when I was a kid, but something I couldn't do as a kid is sip wine on the patio of Tony's Town Square restaurant to watch Disney's Festival of Fantasy Parade. Be sure to check out the link in the description for the full parade. Then we scooted our way back to the castle to watch Mickey's Magical Friendship Faire. Be sure you're subscribed with the bell icon so you can be alerted to the full show upload coming soon. The Lightning Lane scored us a ride on the all-new Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, where your individual train car rocks back and forth as it traverses the coaster course. Then we made our way over to Pirates of the Caribbean, but of course that wasn't until after the show. Woo! As the night started to die down, we see that the castle is starting to glow up nicely. We ride Haunted Mansion, which is a personal favorite of mine, so of course we rode it twice. Then we headed over to Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid to say hello to Ursula.
That Ursula? Oh, she's so mean! That one wants to get the girl into a hellblade. Yes, indeed.
And yes, we did score one final night ride on Splash Mountain. Then off to Tomorrowland to ride Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin in Space Mountain.
We're trying to film some great footage here of Tron, Tomorrowland Speedway. He's trying to focus on driving while I focus on filming Tron.
And snag a few clips I did during testing of the ride, as best as I could do.
What do you think? Your first time driving here?
My first time driving.
Oh, really? You drove before?
Yeah.
What other vehicles have you drove?
Hershey car.
Then we closed out the night back at the castle to watch the stunning Disney Enchantment projection and fireworks display on the castle.
And just believe if you are
sure to get out to see Disney Enchantment before it's gone for good, April 2nd. That full show also coming soon to my channel, so please subscribe. And thanks again for tagging along with us today. Until next time, bye-bye.